Alright, y'all, we woke up at 3 o'clock today. We're headed to the gym, train some legs. It's gonna be one of those rise and grind kind of days. Waking up early. Crystal, how you feeling? Awake?
No.
She says no. I'm feeling good. One of the perks working out this early, ain't nobody here. About to crush some legs. Show the legs. Who's boss? Alright, so it was 4:05. I did that for 5. The fifth one was kind of less than optimal, so I'm gonna drop it. This is my next rotation of increased weights on squat. So I'm gonna drop back down to 365 and do that for 5 and just keep progressing up going forward. How was the leg workout?
It's actually really good. I feel like it was kind of quick, but it was really good.
Really good?
It was an hour and a half, but it felt really quick.
Quick for us. Killed it. What shirt you got on, babe?
Kilo brick.
Look at that. Keto brick.
Matching.
Boom! Check it out, y'all.
We're about to walk into Starbucks and be matching.
Yeah, buddy. We do have our espresso maker, but we're out of heavy cream, so now we're using Starbucks. Alright, so since I'm training so early, waking up earlier, I might try and throw in a meal earlier. So a couple reasons: one, just to have less time between my training and my first meal, and two, because I just don't like eating a whole lot of food super late at night. So Crystal, the kind lady that she is, hooked me up with some pork jowl and some eggs. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, check it out. We got new hair nets. Nobody liked my do-rags, but we're making bricks today. Surprise, surprise. We got Crystal making ingredients. We got Trish packaging them up. How you doing there, Trish?
Doing good.
How many miles you run today?
I only did 4 today.
How many tomorrow? 25,
maybe
something
7.
crazy? 7?
Yes, 14 Saturday.
You're killing it. Killing it.
Jacob Wells 3 Bridges Marathon and December 15th, so can't wait to see how it goes.
She makes me look bad. Look at Trish rocking the depositor.
Hey, this is the bomb right here.
Trained professional over here. What's happening, everybody? Successful day of brick making has been underway. We've got about 1,080 bricks made today. So in 1 day's time, that's pretty good. That equipment helped a lot. I've got my 75/25 ground beef. I'm going to add the rest of this kale pesto along with some of this Wild Brine brand ginger organic sauerkraut, and that's just gonna give me some fiber, and actually more so than fiber, it's gonna be just like a probiotic fermented foods, good for you, and some olive oil. This is going to be a pretty calorically dense meal. I don't have the cream cheese that I've been putting on the meat. I ran out of that, so I'm going to put, that's why I'm doing this pesto, because it's just going to be a good way to get the calories up. Crystal is having, I'm just going to go show you her food too. She's having a salad. She's been doing pumpkin seeds lately with some cheese, and she's got some Primal Kitchen ranch dressing on there. So yeah, that's what we're eating right now. That looks pretty appetizing, doesn't it? I think it tastes pretty good.
Alright guys, so I'm doing the closing clip of the day. It was a super good day, super successful day, waking up early, went to the gym, killed some legs, and then we got to work in the kitchen all day on the bricks. I got to use the new dispenser, super excited about that, and yeah, just an awesome day overall, and can't wait to wake up early again tomorrow and attack the day. I'm really excited about these new morning workouts. I think those will be super good for us, and a really great way to make sure to ensure that we get our workouts in, because that is that should come first and foremost. We can't help anybody else, we can't be the best us unless we're taking care of our own bodies. So super excited about that. Anywho, we are ready to go to bed. It's not super late, but definitely time for us to go to bed to be able to wake up at 3 or 3:30 tomorrow. So we will catch you guys tomorrow.